What is up, everybody? Today we got a very special reveal video for you guys today. I don't want to hold on too much. I am excited to show you guys. So let's just get started. We finally got our new Valenti lights and the fourth brake light. I am excited. So excited that these are finally on the car. If you are from my Instagram, then you know I've been waiting for these for a really long time. So if you're not following my Instagram, you are not being updated. So here we go. I'm gonna show you the taillights right now. Let's go. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the new lights because they look amazing. They go very well with the car. I love the sequential, and I hope you guys like how the car is coming along, the whole setup, all cosmetics. I hope you guys are really enjoying the videos, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. And guys, please make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because on my Instagram is where I do post a lot of the things that I get. Like as soon as I get them, bam, Instagram. So yeah, go ahead and just give me a follow, and that's it.